Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to fix black hole music app not working. So in this video I'm going to walk you through different method or step that you can use to fix the black hole music app not working on your device. Let's get started with that, and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to check for the backend issue. At times the app may encounter server-side problem affecting its performance. In such case, waiting for the developers to resolve the issues is advisable for that. Then the other method is to download from the trusted resources, which is very important. So ensure you've downloaded the black hole APK from the official website or other reliable source to avoid corrupted or outdated version. Using unofficial source can lead to instability. And also the other method is to clear cache and data. So accumulated cache or corrupted data can cause the app to malfunction, so clear them. So to do that, you have to go to the device settings, then navigate to the app and select the black hole and tap on storage, then choose to clear cache and clear data. You can also restart your app to see if the issue persists. Then the other method is to reinstall the app. If clearing the caches doesn't resolve the problem, uninstall the current version of the black hole, then download the latest version from the official website, then reinstall, then launch the app, and that's the best way to fix black hole music app not working. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.